Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. In this video, we are going to talk about this and that. This and that is used to talk about nouns that are close to us or maybe far away from us. So let us have a look at this sentence. This is a cap. This is a cap. We use this to talk about one noun, that is a cap. And a cap is near to us, close to us. So we use this is a cap because it is one cap and it is near to me. The sentence will be this is a cap. And we use that for things which are far away from us. That is a cap. That is a cap. No doubt, if we are talking about a single cap, one cap. Let us have one more sentence. This is a flower. Means one flower and it's near to me. That is a flower. It means that flower is very far from me. So I'm showing my finger and I'm saying that is a flower. Let us move to the next part. Is this a flower? No, that is a chair. So what we have to use this negative part. This isn't a flower. This isn't a flower because it's a chair. So I have used a negative part. This isn't a flower. Now, when we are talking about the far thing, we are going to use that. That isn't a flower because it's a singular. So I am using that isn't. Isn't is a contraction form of is not. Let us make more example. This isn't a pen. This is a book. That isn't a pen. That is a book. Now we are going to learn about how to use this and that in a question. Look at the first sentence. Can you see this is a flower? When we make a question, we have to switch. We put the be verb at the beginning and then the remaining question will carry on. So it becomes, is this a flower? It is nearby. So I have used yes. So the answer is yes. Yes, it is. Now let us move to the next one. Now can you see the flower is far away. So what will be the question now? Again we have to put the be verb at the beginning. Is that a flower? And the answer will be yes, it is. Now here we have a chair which is nearby. It's not a flower, okay? So the question say, is this a flower? The answer will be no, it isn't. Now that chair is far from me and I'm going to make a question. Is that a flower? The answer will be no, it isn't. And remember, isn't is a contraction of is not. So in this video, we have learned about this and that, how to make a sentence and how to make a question of it, both in a positive and negative way. I hope you understand the lesson. If you like it, share it. Love and peace to all.